Hello, my name is Chip. I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here at Sparks Toyota. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Ram 1500 Bighorn. It has a clean Carfax with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, chrome door handles, and deep tinted glass. The 2015 Ram 1500 is a top contender in the full pickup segment thanks to a winning combination of strong powertrain, a smooth ride, and a well-trimmed cabin. This Ram has 20-inch chrome wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a tire-specific low-pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Ram is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen headlamps with delayed off, along with fog lights and a really nice chrome grille with the iconic Ram emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 3.0 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Ram has 4-wheel drive and a 28-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Ram has only 33,256 miles on it. At the back of the Ram, you can see the cargo lamp, the power sliding rear window, and the locking tailgate and the bed cover, along with the tow package, the dual exhaust, the step bumper, and the large brake lights. In the back seat, you'll notice this Ram has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrests with cup holders, the door bends, and the power outlet, as well as under the seat and seat back storage. There are also child safety locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal-looking interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Ram is also equipped with a unique shift selector, in-dash storage, and fade to off interior lighting. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks with auto lock, and power windows with front row one-touch up and down. This Ram has a very comfortable tilting and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped very well lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's SIRIUSXM and Bluetooth compatible. This advanced system even includes voice command. You also have large climate controls, and everything you can see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.